Today we're going to be looking at how to write decimals in expanded form. To show this, we have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. Now, in case you're wondering, what exactly is expanded form? Well, expanded form is a way of writing a number where you're going to break up that number by the individual place values within that number so that you can show the value of each digit within that number. To make sense of what I just said, we're going to jump right into writing our first decimal of 84 hundredths in expanded form. We're going to fill out our place value chart to help us with this though. So starting with our highest place value, we can see that we have a digit of 0 in our ones place. So we're going to write a 0 in our ones place. In our tenths place, we have a digit of 8. And then in our hundredths place, we have a digit of 4. Now that we filled out our place value chart, we're ready to write this number in expanded form. So we're going to start with our highest place value, which is our ones place, and since we have a value of 0 there, we're not going to write that number, so we're going to move from left to right to our tenths place. So in our tenths place, we have a digit of 8. So we're going to show the value of that 8 in the tenths place by writing 8 tenths. So now we're going to move on to our hundredths place, where in our hundredths place, we have a value of 4. So we're going to write 4 hundredths beside our 8 tenths. So we have 0.04, giving us 4 hundredths. So we've written this number in expanded form because when we add 8 tenths plus 4 hundredths, we get 84 hundredths. So before we move on to our second decimal, we're going to clear out this place value chart. Perfect. So now we're ready to write our second decimal of 2 and 567 thousandths in expanded form. So once again, for our place value chart, we're going to start with our highest place value, which once again is our ones place, but this time we have a digit of 2. Then moving on to our tenths place, we have a digit of 5. Our hundredths place, we have a digit of 6. And lastly, in our thousands place, we have a digit of 7. So now that we've filled out our place value chart, we're going to write this decimal in expanded form, starting with our highest place value. Well, in this case, that just happens to be our ones place. So we're going to write our digit of 2 that's in our ones place, and then we're going to move on to our tenths place. And in our tenths place, we have a digit of 5. So we're going to write 5 tenths to show the value of that 5 in the tenths place. And now we're going to move on to our hundredths place, which in this case, we have a digit of 6. So in the line down below, we're going to write 6 hundredths. So now we're going to move on to our thousandths place, where this time we have a digit of 7. So we're going to write 7 thousandths down below to show the value of that 7 in our thousandths place. So now since we don't have any more digits to account for, we're done. We've written 2 and 567 thousandths in expanded form. So hopefully by now you understand how to write decimals in expanded form. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.